First, we will weigh 100 grams of raw oil. Now we will place beaker containing canola oil on hot plate. Heat oil till 90 degrees Celsius. Make sure continuous. Stirring, weigh 1 gram of activated bleaching earth. As temperature reaches 90 degrees Celsius, add 1 gram of bleaching earth in it. Now heat oil for 20 minutes and maintain temperature between 100 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The noticeable change in oil color indicates that the bleaching earth has begun its refining process, effectively removing impurities and contaminants from the canola oil. Now we will filter oil after heating it for 20 mins. The results indicate a clear difference between raw canola oil and bleached canola oil.